Alright, today I'm unboxing the Huawei Matebook Pro S. We've got the 24GB plus 1TB version here. Wow, this is worth a pretty penny right now. And it's the privacy edition, so I'll show you how that privacy feature works in a bit. Let's get right to the unboxing, no more talk. Oh wait, actually, that is not plastic wrap at all. You will find that it is safely tucked away inside of a soft, protective fabric sleeve, you see. Oh wow, it's actually purple. Let me take a quick look to see what they're calling this specific shade. Ah, it's called Midsummer Purple. That's actually quite a nice, elegant choice. Now, if you take a closer look right here, you'll notice there are two separate cameras facing outward, which is honestly quite rare to find on a laptop like this. And yet, despite all that, the laptop itself feels incredibly lightweight and is remarkably thin, which is really quite impressive for a device of this size and form factor, don't you think? It's a very sleek design. Yeah, it weighs in at just 800 grams. My digital calipers are reading right around 12.4 millimeters, provided I apply a little bit of pressure. That is identical to the thickness of the previous Matebook Pro model. However, the overall in-hand feel is fantastic. It is remarkably light. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, wow. Now, if you take a look at this button right here, you'll notice it actually houses a built-in fingerprint sensor. Beyond the external camera that we just looked at, there is another truly unique feature included, specifically this little switch right here. I certainly don't want to keep you in any suspense, so I'll tell you. This is the privacy switch that I mentioned earlier. Let's go ahead and activate it right now so we can see exactly how it functions in practice. Alright, I have successfully enabled the privacy display mode, and I have it set to always on for now. Oh, it actually gets quite dim, and I'm not entirely sure if you'll be able to see it clearly. It features some built-in privacy protection that blocks the view from the sides. Now, I wonder what this button does. Let me take a closer look at it. Oh, I see. It's just a simple one-touch toggle switch for the display. Oh, you see, this is actually a dual control button mechanism. So it isn't simply the case that up is always off, while down is always on. It is specifically designed as a dual control setup. Furthermore, you are able to select specific protected applications to see exactly how it looks. Whenever you decide to open up a protected application, you should know it is not just limited to one specific area. Once the feature is activated, it is fully on, and whenever you choose to turn it off, it disables for the entire screen. It is really not like the Samsung implementation, where it is restricted to just one small zone. And keep in mind, this is a fully functional touchscreen. So the moment I open it up, boom, the privacy mode immediately kicks in. So I have to ask, is this actually working for you now? Oh, you can toggle it on or off with just a single touch, regardless of the mode you are in. Oh wait, look at that. This is a specialized camera that is actually capable of viewing the outside world, which is a feature that is incredibly rare to find on a standard laptop computer. The included charger is a 66-watt USB-C adapter, not the old hybrid style with A and C ports they used to include. That covers the main highlights for this device.